Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to find about complementary solution. So we have yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of yc. So we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. So later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of this one. We have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we go to third derivative of yc, and we have lambda to the power of 3e to the power of lambda s. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. E to the power of lambda s we can do about factorization. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to negative number 2, lambda equals to number 1, and lambda equals to number 1. So that means we have two solutions with the same number 1. So we have y equals to yc. So we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, e to the power of negative 2s. So we have c number 2, e to the power of s, because we have same solutions. So in this one we have c number 3, s e to the power of s. Now we go back to this one. That means c number 1 equals to number 3, c number 2 equals to number 4, and c number 3 equals to number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.